Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today we're just looking at a few of the products that are in the BoxyCharm charm room, as well as looking at the spoilers so far for what we got for the August BoxyCharm Premium Box, as well as the BoxyCharm August Base Box. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was looking at the August Ipsy Choice items, as well as new spoilers for the August Plus Ultra bag, as well as add-ons. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says first, hey Mandy, hope you're doing well. Jenny, I'm feeling a little bit better, honey. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you're doing well. And I really appreciate you having your bell on, always coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search around and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Well, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that 5 seconds, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second. So don't blink, but it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are just some of the items that they have in the BoxyCharm charm room. I'm so excited, guys. I believe this has been closed. Now, if you don't know what the charm room is, of course, it is a place where you can use your charms to buy items. The way you can earn charms is by referring friends to BoxyCharm, or also by doing reviews of the products that you get in your boxes. That's a good way to earn them as well. Now 100 charms equals $1. Now you can get these items discounted, and of course you could save up, and that way you can get you some new stuff with just your charms. I've also got some choice dates for you, and also the Boxy PopUp dates, and as soon as we get through this, I'll give you those dates. That way you can mark them down in your calendar. So the first item we're looking at, this is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This is $52. Next is the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Lollipop. That is $18. Next is the Elizabeth Matte Show Me Your Cheeks Blush in Peach Pink. That is $23. Next up is the EVO Beauty Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Now there's 15 in each pack. That is $14. Now next is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. This is a 15 milliliter bottle, and it's in the shade Blossom. That is $42. And then last but certainly not least is the AER Lashes in the style With Love. Now these are $21. And again, guys, if you have charms, this is where you go to spend them. Now I do believe they close the charm room temporarily whenever Boxy Pop-Up is in, and also add-ons, I'm not sure. So y'all, let's go ahead and look at the spoilers so far for the August base box and the premium box. So first we're going to start with the base box. So the first thing that we know of is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Then we have the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Next up is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now the shades will vary on that. Next up is the QMS Active Glow SPF 15 Tinted Day Cream. Then we also have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser, as well as the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. We also see the Trestique Summer Glow and Go Kit. Now these are the little mini pencils. And then we also have the Trestique A Matte for Every Mood. Now this is a lip set, and I don't believe these are mini. I think these are regular size. And of course, you know, Joe had to show some of the premium items on his Instagram. I believe it was Instagram. So this is what he showed, and I'll go ahead and tell you the items. These are the ones we already know of, but you know, we're doing spoilers so far. So the first thing that will be in the premium August box is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Next, we'll see the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Then we also see the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinol Serum, as well as the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. Y'all, I've always wanted to try that. If y'all have tried that, let me know how it is. Next up is the Dermalect XL Lash Volumizer Tri-Peptide Eyelash Booster Formula. Wow, that is a mouthful. Now guys, this also could be used for your brows too, so I think that's amazing. You know, it's an all-in-one product. And then last but certainly not least is the Ciate London Editor Eyeshadow Palette. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get to these dates so you can mark these down in your calendar. Now, the BoxyLuxe Choice date is going to be open Monday, August the 10th. And then the BoxyCharm Premium Choice date is going to be Thursday, August the 13th. Now, Boxy PopUp Early Access is going to be opening Monday, August the 10th. So again, make sure you write these down in your calendar. That way you don't miss out on anything. And guys, let me know what you think about these items in the charm room so far. Also, what do you think of the spoilers so far for August? What are you excited to get? Also, are you excited for Boxy PopUp and also Choice and all that? Because I know I am. I'm excited to see what y'all get. I just love it. Guys, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in a loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. I'm going to butcher this, so I do apologize. But thank you so much. Is it Mia Sodas? Fornez? I hope I said that right. Anyway, she says, hey. Well, hey girl, how are you doing, honey? Thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. Guys, again, I would like to thank everybody that has donated to my PayPal. I mean, I couldn't appreciate it more, guys. It is so needed at this time. I've just never been so wrecked in my whole entire life. And again, I'll be doing an update video as soon as I find out exactly what's going on after we get some tests back and I see the specialist. I'm just hoping I don't bring y'all any bad news. I hope it's just something minor. And again, guys, thank y'all so much for still sticking here with me and watching my videos and being subscribed to my channel. I mean, you guys are the best. I just love y'all. And be watching out for more spoilers, guys. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.